My name is Nick Athan-Iksidis and I'm the Contracts Manager on behalf of SECUREclean at Brisbane Airport. We bought our first TASKI SWINGOBOT 2000 in 2017 and today we've bought a further 4. It was very seamless to actually buy the robot, set it up and then use the robot moving forward. So for us it was a really great experience. Some of the tangible outcomes that we've realised by having TASKI machines on site is basically a reallocation of labour. So we haven't cut labour or we haven't changed it. We've also seen some efficiencies with chemical usage and general breakdowns. So there's been a number of elements that have been tangible. And because of those reasons, we very much look forward to continuing to increase our footprint on TASKI robots across the site. And we're very excited about the new technology and innovations that are coming out from TASKI in the future.